Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the first ever Dishman McGinnis flipped faculty meeting. Alan Martin and I have been working to find a way to make this happen, and since we can't have a faculty meeting tomorrow afternoon due to BGEA, we thought this might be a good opportunity to start this. A flipped faculty meeting just means that rather than meeting in person, I send you a QuickTime video with the stuff that we'd have from a faculty meeting in there. So I'm just going to zip through a few things that we would have discussed had we had a meeting tomorrow afternoon. First of all, I want to give you just a little bit of a calendar update. Of course, report cards went home today. Today's Tuesday semester. I sent you an email a couple of days ago about furniture for the new building. If you have not replied to me yet, I really need you to do that. I'm going to have a meeting with Mr. Tenius and Mr. Shive in the very near future, and we're going to talk about some things and figure out what our budget is and make sure that I want to make sure that I know what your wishes are before I go into that meeting. So, Leadership Day. We have scheduled our Leadership Day for Wednesday, February the 12th. We had originally scheduled that back in the fall in November. We had several things going on, and there were a couple of other leadership days going on very close to us in proximity. I didn't think ours would be very well attended, so we decided to push that back to the spring semester, and I believe the date that we've settled on is going to be Wednesday, February 12th. Now, we're going to have a parent night on Tuesday, February 11th. When you get to theleaderinmeonline.org, you just log in as yourself. Can't type today. Log in there, and there are all kinds of. There's a new. The site's been revamped quite a bit, so if you'd like to see it, you can take that 5-minute tour of the new site. But within the site, all kinds of good things for you to see. Lots of good ideas about leadership notebooks, some other quality tools you can be using in your classroom. All right, that's going to be about it for the first faculty meeting. This has been a bit of an experiment, and it's a research project. Alan and Will King are presenting at KYSTE, which is a state technology conference, about this idea. So we need a little bit of data from our meeting today. So some kind of indication as to how many of you actually got all the way to the end of this short meeting, go to our school website, look on the left-hand side. Remember, you go to the district website, then click on our school. Look on the left-hand side, and there's a toolbar with all kinds of things. At the very bottom, you'll see a link called Flip Meeting. Click on that link. That's going to take you to a 3-question survey, your name and 2 questions about the meeting today. And if you'll fill that out for me, that'll come back to me as a Google Doc, and I'll have the data that I need. Hope you guys have a great rest of the day. Thank you for participating in our Flip faculty meeting.